Alright, here we have the elevation for the barrel on Heng Long Panzer IV converted with the Profiline Jagdpanzer IV conversion kit. So here we go with the barrel elevation on the outside. And this is just using a standard Heng Long elevation unit, and we'll show the inside here in just a second. And here is the internal arrangement. The elevation unit is just secured to the roof of the resin conversion piece. Made a little brass cam to kind of, or arm to kind of follow on the cam, the elevation cam, secured into the end of the barrel with grub screw. So here is, let's see, we'll put this up here, and here is the elevation function from the inside without the annoying sound. You see that arm is set, it just follows the cam around, and with the shorter arm on the inside, it gives such a larger movement to the end of the barrel on the outside. That was it, just kind of a low-tech solution to get the barrel to move where you didn't have a lot of room. So that's pretty much all there is. Thanks for watching.